Coming into Douthat State Park. We're gonna do a hike here today. This is where you pay. Let's have Blaze do it.
We're gonna start here. We're gonna go up Beard's Gap, take a left on Locust Gap, go up Stony Run Falls, over to the overlook, then we're gonna go to Blue Suck Falls, then we're gonna go down here.
Okay, that was really rude.
Whoa, the water's really up. Come on, buddy. That sign's a little worn, but we're going up Beard Gap Hollow. Good. Nice job. Woo! 1 mile.
Here's Gap Hollow.
And we're gonna take a right.
Left.
We're gonna take a left.
Take the left onto Locust.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go right towards Stony Run Trail. Right?
We're going left here.
What I mean is left to Stony Run Trail. Right if I came from this direction. But I didn't.
Take a left on Locust Gap.
We're going this way.
Nice!
Oh, somebody lost it. This shot. Man,
I'll eat it.
that's a strawberry plus caffeine. Winner, winner. Strawberry dinner. Have a good ride. We're going to the overlook 3 miles up.
That's one way to do it.
Well, now you can step in the water.
Woo!
Oh. Cool, huh? Kind of hard to find this waterfall. You have to go through the dark rhododendron forest. Oh, there's a staircase. Wow. Apparently the trail used to go next to the falls. I bet the trail comes back down and crosses somewhere. No, I think we can go up. The new trail's up there somewhere. And we're gonna continue along this waterfall. And it's gonna come down, it's gonna meet up.
You think so?
Yeah.
Want me to whip my map out?
No, we're not checking maps.
Okay. Really good.
I'm pretty sure. This ain't my first jungle trip, baby. See, there's a little bit of a trail right here. Ow. Yeah, I just fell down, that's all. It's a steep hill. See, it's even got cut rhododendron. Okay, we're turning around. And
We're gonna bungle in the jungle if it's alright by me.
okay, so we're turning around and going back down past the waterfall again because we got lost. And it's now raining, so the camera's gonna go away. All right, so we turned down the Tuscarora Trail, and now we are at the Tuscarora Overlook / Blue Suck Falls Trail intersection. This is running towards the overlook really fast. Yeah, wow. Nice. Woo! Yeah. We are 5.7 miles in and more rain coming. Made it to a wet lookout rock. Ooh, it's really raining hard over there. It's a little clearer over here. I think I'm gonna put the cameras away. Douthat Falls Trail, headed down. Wow. Whoa, nice bench. Pretty big. It has become a rainy day hike. Officially. The trail is also a stream. We should have pulled out the map sooner, but we thought we were going the right direction. Turns out we're going a slightly longer version of the right direction.
Alright, let's just go.
Yeah, that mistake cost us a little uphill, a little extra. Oh, we wouldn't have gotten to do this had we not made that wrong turn. Look how pretty it is. Nice view. Okay, we're 9.3 miles in because we got lost, but we did get a nice view. Just keep down Tobacco Ridge?
Yeah, I should take this to our car.
We hope.
Woo! We did it!
Yeah.
Woo!
10 miles.
Then we'll be back in like 6 miles. What do you think? Time to go.